I struggle with the migraines from the young age, and it seems that I found a solution. Not to remove migraines from my life completely, but to relieve this huge pain when the migraine gets to me. I thought it would never work, because why should it? But for every one of my last migraines, it worked. And I'm really excited that this simple method works. And I'll show you the process from the beginning to the end. I think if you struggle with migraine, you just should do it at least one time. So let's begin. When your migraine starts, when you feel and you see this visual artifacts before your eyes, that means that the migraine starts. And at that moment, you should understand that the migraine will be soon enough. Maybe from my experience, it's like 5-10 minutes before my sight becomes blurry, and after that it stops and I feel the harsh pain in my head. When you feel these first symptoms, you should relax. You really should relax in the every possible way which you have at the current moment. I tried just to lay down and to close my eyes and to have pillow, to just calm down, relax all my muscles, and maybe sometimes with the sleep mask on my head I try to relax. Sometimes I even fell asleep, but it didn't work. It worked a little bit, but anyway, migraine every time were there. So that didn't work perfectly. And my girlfriend said that I could use this method. When the migraine starts, put your legs in the hot water. The temperature of the water should be around 37 to 42 degrees by Celsius. So here I have the cold water, and I have a kettle with the hot water. I'm just adding some water, some hot water. I try the water, I try the temperature, it's fine, need a little bit more. And after that, you just sit and you try to relax. So close your eyes, relax your muscles, even try to stay quiet. You sit like this for 10 to 20 minutes, and it works every time. When this blur before my eyes stops, usually I have the hard headache. But when I started to use this method, every time when I feel that migraine comes, I use this method, and when the blur goes away, and after 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes in the hot water, I feel nothing. I feel no pain in my head. Sometimes I feel the little spot where I feel the pain were meant to be, but I just feel it, but no pain really. So it's like a miracle to me. I think everyone who suffers from the migraines should just try this method. And because of causes of migraines are complicated, now I'm happy that I can just not remove the migraines completely, but just to relieve this pain, just to reduce it. Also, to make the process more efficient, you can add some sea salt. The sea salts help you to relieve stress, and minerals which are included in the sea salt, they're helping you calm down your neural system, soften your skin, relax your muscles more, helps to reduce the pressure in your blood vessels. Additionally, you can use the few drops of lavender essential oil or peppermint oil. I have peppermint, and this will also help you to relax even more. Also, it smells fantastic. After you edit everything in the water water. As I said, you just try to relax. After 20 minutes, take the towel, clean your feet, and wear warm socks right away. It will help you to keep them warm, to keep your feet in a great comfort. Even after this, try not to have lots of physical activities in this day when you felt the starting of the migraine. Try to do other more relaxing stuff and be kind to yourself. Care about your body, about your physical and mental health. I hope you'll try this method because it saved me from the migraine, and I hope it will help you to reduce the pain of migraines greatly, and maybe even, like in my case, it will completely stop the migraine when it begins. I hope this video will help you. If it will, please write down in the comment section below, did it help you or not? I'm really interested in how this method may affect other people with migraines. Also, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.